Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into gradient. 7 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Gradient, which means an inclined part of a road or railway. Number 1. Incline, which means an inclined surface or plane. Incline. For example, the road climbs a long incline through a forest. Number 2. Hill, which means a sloping stretch of road. Hill. For example, they were climbing a steep hill in low gear. Number 3. Descent, which means a downward slope. Descent. For example, a steep, badly eroded descent. Number 4. Slope, which means a difference in level or sideways position between the two ends or sides of a thing. Slope. For example, the roof should have a slope sufficient for proper drainage. Number 5. Grade, which means a gradient or slope. Grade. For example, roads on steep grades. Number 6. Ramp, which means a sloping surface joining two different levels, as at the entrance or between floors of a building. Ramp. For example, a wheelchair ramp. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.